Let's continue with example 2. Example 2 says that given 4x equals y raised to the power 2 all over z, make y the subject of the 4 or no this. So with this question, the only thing that comes to mind is that when you this question, once anytime the must have a denominator or a fraction, you can use it to divide through or to multiply through the whole equation. So without saying that, so this one you're going to use z to multiply through the equation. So we have 4xz is equal to y squared. So right now we have to find y, not y squared. So what you do right now is that once y is having squared, what you should do is that you should square both sides. So multiply square root of both sides. This is the square root sign. So square root of z is equal to y square all square root. So this is how you do it. Set x 2 square root of 2 so square root of 2x and z. So this is our final answer. So we have make y the subject of the relation. So if you look at it critically, it's very simple but trickish. So that's it for 3. Example 3. Example 3. Our example 3, you have to make r the subject of this. So you have to make r the subject of this. R the subject. You have to make m all over r square plus k. So this is a question you're giving to us. It says you make r, this r, the subject. So let's continue. And is so we have t r square. We have p r square minus k r square. So we have r square here. So what we do is that let's bring r square. Let's factor r square out. So let's bring r square out. The bracket open. We have our p. Because there's p here, so with the r square, so we bring the p. And here we have r square and k. So we bring the r square already out, so we only write minus k. Minus k. All bracket close equals this line is too long. Equals M P minus K is all over P P minus K. So you have P. So right now, what do we do so that the R will be on its own? So right now, once you have R square here, what to do is that we square root both sides, or we square both sides. So now you have square root of R square equals square root of my M is not nice. Let me clean it away. So square root of M all over P minus K. So that's very good. So right now, these two will cancel itself and cancel the square root sign here. So now we have R to be alone now. So R equals square root of M all over P minus K. So this is our final. So we have made R the subject of P equals M all over R square times K. So my you have done good. After the line, this is the end of the lesson. Thank you very much and see you in our next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, and share with your friends.